specialty. They have thick scales covering each of their
Secretary
legs. Scales
bird.
thick enough to make a snake bite ineffective, which means that this girl can hunt even venomous snakes. She's taking her final bow and she's off. That's
Yay!
our
This is so
secretary
yay.
bird. Now I know you're probably wondering
home.
why on earth did someone name that kind of bird a secretary bird, right? It's a weird name. Completely agree. All we really need to focus on, though, in today's modern times is that that girl would rather be called the administrative assistant bird. Thank you.